All right, hello and welcome to Lesson Launchpad. My name is Michael. I'm the founder of Lesson Launchpad. I'm a former teacher, and basically, the origin story is I wanted my screen to do things for me. I was teaching back to back to back classes in a middle school all day, just kind of nonstop, and I really just wanted my screen to be able to change classes for me. Obviously present all of my stuff in a neat and orderly way, have this cool little scrolling marquee, a clock. I wanted timers to automatically pop up to help with my routines. I wanted music to play in between classes. I taught beginning band, so I wanted trumpet players to come into the room. I wanted them to hear trumpet music. I wanted trombone players coming in and hearing trombone music, right? But I wanted something that would do all that automatically, so that way I wasn't having to run back and forth, start a playlist, pick the right video, all of that stuff. Lesson Launchpad is the solution to that problem. So I'm going to lead with this. I'm going to tell you right up front. Lesson Launchpad, it's a little complicated, right? There are other products on the market that you're probably familiar with that are less complicated. And I guarantee you, they do fewer things, and that's why they're less complicated. So I really do think if you are looking for a solution like this, something where you can present your content, you can schedule stuff ahead of time with this date picker down here, you can have automations pop up, all sorts of cool things that Lesson Launchpad can do. This is a great product for you. If you don't need all that, then this Lesson Launchpad 100% may not be for you, okay? And that's fine. But I'm glad you're here to check it out. I will say, follow these onboarding steps. Don't try to bite off more than you can chew. We're going to start by creating your first classes here. You can watch this video that walks you through that. Then we're going to set up a screen. We're going to show you, and this is the one where a lot of people kind of are like, how do I do this? What's going on here? It's this one, copy screen to other days and other classes. This video shows you how to do both of those. And then we're going to set up your schedule. And really, this schedule is only required for the automations. So we're going to kind of do all this in order. And I think if you kind of go through each of these, you'll see, okay, all right, I can handle this. Once you get past the first week of school using Lesson Launchpad, I think you'll see, oh, okay, yeah, this is really cool, and I can kind of explore the other bells and whistles and really optimize it for what you want it to do, right? Just a little heads up, this is a sample class, so you'll end up creating other classes here. And so on the Teacher Hub, you can see where you can set up a lot of this. You've got a classes page here where you can set up different classes. You've got a content manager where you can see what all you've scheduled. This is where it's going to be really easy to copy one screen to another screen. Okay, in one of the videos, the step number 3, that video talks all about that. Okay. All sorts of options here. Once again, resist the urge to explore all of this right away and just kind of go through the steps, and I think you'll be good. Finally, I do want to point you to a few other little things right quick. Obviously, this account page. If you scroll down here, there's a contact form. These go straight to me, or you can email me at support@lessonlaunchpad.com. All of those go to the same inbox, so I will see them. Also, there's this help page with tons of FAQ articles you can see here. You can actually just search for something up here. So, for example, schedule, right? And there's this whole section with all sorts of questions and videos. This box on the sample class also does the same thing, right? So we've kind of curated this list. The really kind of the most popular videos are kind of here at the top, or the videos that help people the most. But you can also search this list, and this list is growing every day. But for example, we'll just do schedule. So I guarantee you when you type schedule in here, there will be even more videos, because every time someone asks me a question through an email, I make them a video and I add it to this page so that way I can help other people. Welcome to Lesson Launchpad. And if you have any questions, make sure you reach out and we'll get you the help you need.